Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this fateful day I was craving pasta. I entered YouTube and I saw Yemmie uploaded a video of pasta, so I decided to make exactly like that. So keep watching. So here are the ingredients she used, and here are the ingredients I'm going to be using as well. I'm using this pasta. She used the plain one, but I'm using these three colors. So here is my beef. Here I have some tomato puree. Here is meat stock. And here I have some red, green and yellow bell pepper. So I also have one large onions. I'm going to be using half of that onions. And here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using just one because if I use two I will not eat that food. So I'm going to be adding water to my pot, then cover it and allow it to boil. While leaving that to boil, I'll just go ahead and slice my sweet pepper, my peppers, yeah. I will also go ahead and slice the onions and the beef as well. Right now the water has boiled, so I'll just go ahead and add the pasta. Cook it for like 8 minutes depending on how soft you want it. So I don't want my oil too soft. Here it's after 8 minutes. I'll just go ahead and remove the water, then add some oil to my pot. I'm using olive oil, and then heat it up and add the beef. I'm going to be frying the beef. After frying the beef, I remove a little bit of oil. Then I'm going to be adding my onions to the remaining oil. Add my onions and allow it to fry. So after that, I'll just go ahead and add the peppers. That is the bell pepper. And I will add my ingredients. I just added thyme, curry, ginger powder, and garlic powder. You can add any ingredients of your choice, so that's the one I'm going to be using. And right now I'm going to be adding the tomato puree. I will add that and just stir it. At this point, I'll be adding the meat stock also. Add the meat stock and then the beef. I will leave it for 2 minutes to cook together because we don't want our bell pepper too cooked. I also like it to be a little bit crunchy. Yes. After 2 minutes, I'll go ahead and add the pasta, then stir everything together. I leave mine for just like 1 minute to cook together. I mean, for everything to marry each other. Then after that, the pasta is ready. So this is the finished look of the pasta. And guys, this pasta came out so delicious, like really delicious. I don't even know how to describe it. I think you need to give this a try also. So guys, thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye.